In this video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain on SendGrid. In order to do that, you first need to head over to sendgrid.com and click on the Start for Free option in order to create your account. Now, SendGrid is actually integrated within Twilio, so you can just proceed to log in using your Twilio account or sign in right here under this button. So since I already have an account, I can actually just do whatever I want with this. Now, I have in here this uh, actual documentation about setting up the authentication for your domain. So domain authentication is something that can actually keep the records or DNS on the domain that you communicate or receive email servers and verify that you have given sending email server permission to send email on behalf of the domain. So with this, the domain authentication or domain white label is Twilio SendGrid's process for domain setup and setting DNS entries. So they can actually send email on our behalf. So in here, in order to set up your DNS, you just need to head over and then authenticate it using the actual email. We have in here several elements that we need to take into account. Like for example, we have SPF, DMARC, name, and it is actually under the Twilio. We have in here as well the MX, EXT. So to set up your domain authentication, head over and then begin it by opening right there your DNS record on your hosting provider. So typically we have DNSimple, GoDaddy, Rackspace, and Cloudflare. So determine your hosting provider and access your DNS records directly from there. You can also use a manual or automated setup depending on. So on your Twilio, head over to your settings, under authentication and on the domain authentication section, proceed to click on this get started. After that, authenticating your domain will proceed. So from the authenticate your domain page, select your DNS host, for example, GoDaddy, and then choosing here the I'm not sure if you don't want to list it. After that, click on yes, and would you like the brand links to your domain? You can choose no if you would want to. Click on next, and then from the new page, just input the domain that you sent from, like for example example.com, select the advanced settings, click on next and install the DNS record from there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.